It's a badass Duramax right here.
This should be a powerful flower.
Hold on when this thing turns up.
See it for a second. I'll make them a flower.
This is one of the trucks that makes me like a Duramax right here.
No!
What the hell happened there?
Gary, you didn't want to be able